This is a great opportunity to trade in cryptocurrency. In this video, top whale Bitcoin investor has not dismantled his BTC assets. Even he will continue to add to his assets even though world news is getting more complicated with suspending deposits and withdrawals of US dollars using bank accounts. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, said it's temporarily suspending deposits and withdrawals of US dollars using bank accounts and will work to restart the service soon. The suspension will start Wednesday, according to a Binance spokesperson. No specific reason was given for the suspension. Bank transfers using other fiat currencies, such as euros, are unaffected, the representative said. Crypto companies have had difficulties finding banking partners to facilitate the sending of money to buy and sell digital assets. Following the collapse of FTX, banks have been warned by federal regulators of the risks of doing business with crypto firms. While some banks are withdrawing support for crypto, other banks are moving in, Binance Chief Executive Officer Changpeng Zhao said on Twitter in response to the Binance announcement. Some setbacks were expected from last year's incidents. A tweet from DB News further suggested that the Binance's problem is tied to a lack of appropriate banking partner. Suspension expected to last a couple weeks until new banking partner is established. Person familiar, the Crypt Zero-focused newswire posted. Banks have grown increasingly hesitant to do business with blockchain firms in the aftermath of the FTX collapse, wherein the once second-largest crypto exchange lost everything, customer funds included, due in large part to former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried's shady dealings. Though Binance's leadership has repeatedly asserted that it is nothing like FTX, the exchange has nonetheless come up against its own set of issues recently. Binance has resisted a full audit of its finances that could theoretically prove its differences from FTX. The company that Binance contracted to perform an external review quit before it could finish. Then, the company admitted in January that its so-called stablecoin wasn't actually as stable as it had suggested. The exchange temporarily stopped withdrawals of that coin, USDC, in December 2022 after a spike in activity. Binance also attracted negative attention last month for its role as a thoroughfare for alleged money laundering, after U.S. federal regulators issued charges against Bitslotto, another crypto exchange. That there has been a divisive change in investor sentiment from the beginning of 2023. Total investment assets under management are up 39% from this time last year and now stand at $30.3 billion, the highest August 2022.